As promised, friends, I am here with the wrapping paper show and tell. I hope you're all well. My name is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm here with a quick haul of some things that I've picked up in a variety of places. I am, in addition to wallpaper, especially vintage wallpaper, I am very, I don't want to say addicted, drawn to heavily vintage wrapping paper. Actually, wrapping paper of all sorts, but I have a pile of this wrapping paper, and I honestly don't even know exactly what's in here. So we're going to go through and see what I have picked up over the last month or so. First is this cute, I don't know if these are daisies, or I'm going to call them daisies. But this I thought was really super cute. Unopened, new old stock. Oh, look, are these the same? Well, this is not. This, my friends, is a piece of feed sack. Yes, it is. Indeed. So I picked that up. Don't know how that got in there, but that will go in my sewing room. This looks to me like the very same stuff, but it didn't come together, I don't think. You know, is this all the same? Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, I don't know. I picked up this baby. This was all in a stack. This one that I'm showing you right now. These that I'm showing you right now. More baby stuff. So I have to sort through this and put it all together. You know, my life just exists of a lot of sorting and a lot of organizing. Which then impedes on my doing a lot of art. More baby. This is not that old, I don't think. It doesn't say what year, but it's got a barcode, so it's not that old. But I like the little teddy bears. This one I've had before, and it's embossed. Actually debossed. More debossed. This is just white, and it's got, man, there's a lot of daisies going on here. That daisy journal is calling my name, apparently. That's all that same one. This one I really liked. This reminds me of my childhood. I think this will be good in the Holly Hobby Journal. There is some wedding gift wrap by Buzza. Gifts and greetings. Oh, this is the whole thing. New old stock, and it's got the little card and everything. Got 2 packs of those. Well, 1 pack is going to be sold because I don't need 2 of them. Let's see. More baby. See, every time I get these things, I'm like, oh, now I need to start that journal. Well, I got a whole menagerie of journals. This is kind of 60s or 70s wrap. This I love. This pink. So that's all of the singles. And then this one, oh, this I must have got, gosh, did I get this at, this is old. This is from like the 50s, maybe some in the 40s, I'm not sure. But this is from that estate sale, I believe. And I think this is the box that I found. I thought it was a Christmas box. I'm looking up there to see. Anywho, I did get some Christmas wrap too, but this I got at that estate sale as well. So there's this one. This is a great big piece. Ooh, look. Oh, those are fun. Little stickers. This one's cute with the little birdies on it. There's quite a bit of that. There's quite a bit of a lot of these. Oh, more stickers. No, these are just tags, but oh my goodness, how beautiful. Love them. Oh, we got some masculine. We got some boats and cars. He's got the little puppy in there. I need to use more of this and not hoard it, because I do hoard it. We've got some wedding. This is one of my favorites, the poodles. Oh my goodness. Speaking of poodles, the other day, I was at the lake, and I was at Mo's house, and I was sitting, it was a beautiful day, so Zenny and I were sitting outside on the patio, And all of a sudden, out of the corner of my, oh, that's cute. Out of the corner of my eye, I see something and I look, and it's like a full-size poodle. It could have been like a cockapoo, black, but I think it was a poodle. And it had a tag, it had a collar, and so I'm like, oh my gosh, somebody's looking for this dog. So I tried to like coax it to come over. I picked Zenny up really quick so she wouldn't scare the puppy away. And then he just went bebopping in through the backyard by the duplex, and I couldn't get him. He was like, no, I'm having nothing to do with you people. Oh, these are cool. So hopefully he found his home, but he did not want to be caught by me. And then I thought, well, what am I going to do with him? All I have is like this little wimpy leash that I use for Zenny. Okay, so this you would have used to wrap a certain kind of size box, and then this would have been the top. That's cool. Coolio. And then nope, not last. Oh, these are the same thing. Oh, these are cute. So these were for certain size boxes as well. Oh my goodness, those are adorbs. So that, my friends, is my wrapping paper haul. I need to put this all back away. I need to find something to put this in so it won't get... I have a shelf. One of the slots is just for wrapping paper, which is kind of overflowing. So I need to make room for all of those, but I hope you enjoyed these and you had fun with me flipping through that. I know it was a quick video, but I did promise I would do it, so there you have it. Until next time, friends, if you're so inclined, give this a thumbs up. Tell me what your favorite one was, and remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.